Welcome to another episode of Ride with Chuck. I'm on the Viper, the handler for Chuck and creator of this channel. We're about to ride ATVs. We're about to get very low. Kick back, relax, and enjoy this episode.
We're gonna take a break for a little bit. You guys can get off the quad, stretch your legs out, stretch your thumbs out, take some pictures, do all that good stuff.
Ride with Chuck. Are we on?
Yeah, yo.
I want everybody in New York, tri-state area, out to Pocono ATV tours.
Shit is lit.
Chill for a day with Ray and the boys.
And the
Deers and the Bears.
All right.
And make sure you have a good time. Not only do we do this in the summertime, a little bit of snow don't stop our show. The rain don't cause us no pain. Besides, like I like to say, it's better when it's wetter. You know what I mean?
The snow, y'all be out here?
Yeah.
Oh, I won't be doing that.
We'll be out here tomorrow in the rain.
No,
I went
you'll be
today
out here
because
tomorrow.
it
Oh, you on
rained-
YouTube right
it
now?
rained here yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Wait, hit that subscribe button though.
I spend like 30 hours a week on YouTube.
Oh shit.
Yeah, me
So
too.
spend some here. I know these guys right behind me, so that's mine.
You guys want to join us?
Mine.
Yeah, sure.
Hi, Chief.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
bro.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
I mean, this is like a little break. They don't-
I
love
mean,
it,
we do
I
need a
love
break.
it.
My hand is kind of crampy. Like I was.
My finger hurts for some reason. This one, only this one. I don't know why. I really don't know
You was
why.
on her. You need to give her like some room so you can be speeding a little bit.
You know, since everybody's doing so well, I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. We're gonna go to the other side. Now on the other side, the trail is a bit more rugged than this. You got steeper hills, sharper turns, more frequent turns. All right, so you gotta bring your A game. Going uphill, lean into the hill, give it enough juice to get to the top. Do not stop until you get to the top. Once you get to the top, ease off the gas a little bit. Going downhill, let the machine roll. Let gravity do the work for you. Hold that brake though. Turning right, lean right. Turning left, lean left. Passengers, lean with your driver. If your driver's turning right, you leaning right. All right? Everybody enjoy their ride?
Yeah.
Put yourselves in there. You guys were great. Alright?
She was good.
I can't ask much more than that except for you all to come back and see us again, alright?
Yep.
Thank you, folks.
Thank you.
Yo, this was fun. I don't know about you.
I had so much fun. Can you please help me take this off? Hello. Hello. Yeah, right? Thank you.